tired, but I just had to share something with y'all, something that I came back home to. I ordered this kit from Sierra McInerney. I hope that I'm saying that right. She has YouTube auctions. I don't know any other way to say it, but it's a live auction on YouTube. I will post her channel, a link to her channel down in the description area for you to be able to find her. So I was finally able to make one of her auctions. I had attended at one about a year ago and had just never been able to catch her since for various reasons. But anyway, I caught one and I was able to order a kit. Y'all, I opened this right away. I was so excited to open it right away, and then I regretted it because I was thinking my viewers would love to see this. Love it. So I put it back together the best that I could, and it does not look nearly as beautiful as when I pulled it out of the package, but I did the best that I could. And I want to show y'all what is in here, and I think that y'all are going to love it just as much as I do. I order, as y'all know, a lot of craft supplies, homemade, handmade stuff and all of that. And I'm almost always very satisfied with what I get. Very happy, very satisfied. And then along comes something, and y'all saw my video in regards to Embellish the Story. And it was just one of those moments that this so far exceeded my expectations. I was so happy with it that I have to share it with y'all. And that's what I'm going to do now. All right, let me move this stuff out of the way. And she has made a little envelope out of some really beautiful fabric. I think that this is like a handkerchief napkin of sorts. And she tied it up with a really pretty piece of ribbon. Y'all, excuse me, my voice is kind of going in and out from being dehydrated. That's not fun. It's something I struggle with. Okay, let's dive in. You know what? I'm going to leave that and just do this and pull out. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So what have we got here? All sorts of goodies. And I love the way that she, and I don't know if she did this, you know, for me. Oh, that's something that Marie would love. You know, her customers would love that little vintage number piece right there. Or she does that to keep up with the orders as she goes. I don't know. But anyway, I love it, Sierra. Keep doing it. Because I am going to cut that out and use it. Okay. Just all sorts of little snippet pieces. How pretty is that? And y'all know we love using those pieces in our embellishments, in our journals, snippet rolls. So pretty. Cutest little flower. I love that. That is so pretty. I'm going to empty the rest of these out in my hand because they are so small. Small, but with big impact. I just love all the little bits and pieces, and that, how adorable is that? I can think of so many uses already, and I could just stare at these pieces, which, by the way, y'all, when I opened it, I did. I just sat there and just stared. As my husband brought the luggage in. He was bringing the luggage in, and I saw the package. Oh, it's from Sierra. I had to open it immediately, and I sat there on the couch going through it. Look, how beautiful is that? Sat there on the couch going through it and just sitting there and just stared and slowly, you know, just slowly pouring over it and just absorbing all of it. Just thought, oh, this is so beautiful, you know, as he's getting all the luggage in. Oh, he's good to me. Pretty little piece of lace. Let's see, here's some more. And then we've got this bulb pin, and this bulb pin hanging off with another one of those cute little numbers and a little whale tail tag. How beautiful is that tatting? Gorgeous. Just all sorts of pieces of lace and fabric, and I'm just so excited. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is so pretty. Love it. Love it. Got a little Rufflet brand piece here. I thought that was cute. Okay. Got this little beaker. One of those little numbers there again. Filled full of all sorts of pieces of like beady crystal stuff and pearls and little rhinestones, flowers, all in here, all sorts. And I am not going to empty it out, but I think that you can get a pretty good look there of what it's about. I've already emptied it out once, so I wanted to put it back in there to be able to show y'all. And I had a mess. I should have waited. I knew I was going to share it with y'all when I saw it, you know. They've got to see this. But I had to because I wanted to hold them and see them. Another little bulb pin. Here we got a number 4. I love how she did that. So pretty. You know, this stuff is so pretty. It's going to be hard to take apart to use. I know that I will because I know how I am. I've got to use it. But I might not for quite a while. Another pretty package. Let's have a look in here. What a cute little bow. It's adorable. That is so pretty how she did that. Oh, let's see, it goes, okay, it goes that way. Some pretty perfume bottles on fabric. Okay. And then, there we go. So pretty. Another pretty piece of fabric. There we go, another piece of lace. See y'all, it is just packed full. A little clothespin. That is adorable. And I'm not going to take this off because I like the way it looks on. I will, of course, when I use it. Oh, here my husband just got home. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it. So dainty, so feminine. Okay. Yes, there is more, y'all. Y'all know how I love the doilies. That makes me excited. I don't know which way to go here. Let's see. Coffee or tea dyed piece of fabric. I know right now, just by looking at that, exactly what I'm going to do with it. I am in the middle of a project, and I had this idea today, and that would be perfect for that. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look. That is so pretty. I hear my husband coming up the stairs. He has no idea that I'm recording, so I'll probably have to cut out in a second. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. That's so soft. So much beauty in one package. Here's some more. I just love that. Love it. That is so soft, y'all. I wish you could feel it. And my husband just poked his head in. He must have heard me and was thinking maybe I was recording. I am. Look how beautiful. I love it. Okay. All right. I think we're heading towards the end now. But this was like the endless handkerchief bag, was it not? And look at that. I am one happy girl. I'm smiling right now. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It just, this package just went so far beyond my expectations. I knew that I would be happy. You know, I've got glimpses of it in the auction, and I was like, oh yes, must have, must have. Look at that. And I, you know, ordered it immediately. No qualms, nothing. Knew I'd love it. But this, yeah. So far exceeded. It's just so much beauty here. All right, y'all. That is it for the showing of what I got from Miss Sierra. And Sierra, if you watch this, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I will definitely be back and just, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, and thank you. And y'all, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all again soon. Bye-bye.